The Global Industrial Power Scissor Lift Table is a cost-effective solution for helping to reduce worker strain in the warehouse. The 48 by 36-inch work surface is powered by a 110-volt one-phase motor and hydraulic pump assembly. The 2,200-pound lift capacity promotes employee safety by lifting heavy loads to a comfortable working height. Lift table collapsed height is 8 inches, and the maximum raised height is 40 inches. The work surface reaches its max height in only 15 seconds. Raise and lower the work surface with a handheld push-button pendant control or the additional foot pedal controls. Model 989034 is finished with a blue chip-resistant powder coat, as well as high-visibility safety markings on the scissor lift legs. A 360-degree emergency stop safety guard surrounds the perimeter of the table and will automatically stop operation if it comes into contact with an object. The Power Scissor Lift Table can be moved and repositioned using the included ring bolts and suspended from equipment forks with hoisting slings. The maintenance bars provide an additional layer of operator safety and can be extended prior to service or inspections. Our optional bellows package, model 989038, is an accordion-style vinyl skirting that completely encloses the scissor lift, adding an additional layer of protection for both the equipment and the operator. Learn more about Global Industrial Material Handling Equipment online. Global Industrial, the source for industrial equipment and supplies.